Well, good morning, friends. It's currently May 12th, a Saturday. I have the day off. Just wanted to show you the bark chips. Last weekend, Kristen and I got all the bark chips laid down. So now we are in the process of planting today. Alright, well, I'm out planting the trees out in the yard over there. Kristen's working on planting the perennial herbs and flowers in the permaculture food forest garden. So our first step to plant, since we got these chips on and we haven't let them decompose enough over the winter, is to move all the bark chips out of the way like that. Then after she gets them all cleaned off, she's going to grab the hori and kind of make a circle about 2 times the big as the plug of the plant, and then she's going to pull this little plug out and then kind of widen the hole out and then plant in there. Ready to pull that plug out. Alright, and then what we're doing is just kind of widening the hole with this trowel here, and she's then replacing that soil with this compost soil mix that we mixed in with our compost we made over the year. So we're going to plant this yarrow, Mongolian yarrow right here. We've got about 12 of them planted around the yard. Alright everyone, well, new day here. It's Sunday, and yesterday we put in a lot of work around here on the garden. We got pretty much everything, all our perennials at least, all planted, and all our trees that we got from the Burleigh County Soil Conservation, we got those all planted up. So what we got going on today is just got a couple pepper plants and some more tomato plants. A couple jalapenos there and some onion sets that I'm going to plant up today, and I'm going to plant some peas and stuff. Hopefully they'll come this year and we'll be able to have them. I know last time we tried peas out here, little critters were eating them up real quick and we didn't get to have any peas. I was kind of bummed out about that, but I'll put 4 more poles down and we'll trellis the peas up and some more runner beans, and I think that'll be the gist of our gardening this year. So over here we got some lavender right here. Planted up those yesterday, and these hopefully will help keep insects from the front porch area. Insects supposedly don't like lavender, so we decided to put those up there. And we have 3 more lavenders we planted down here. These are going to be some big guys. These are, when they get full grown, to be about 3 feet high and a 3 feet spread. And we're hoping we'll get a good return out of these guys. They're supposed to be hardy in our zone 4 here, so hopefully we can keep them coming back and have lavender for years to come. So, a little quick view of the food forest here. I'm going to plant the rest of these crops up like I said, and then call it a weekend. Go back to work tomorrow. Got a short day, but in a few weeks hopefully we should be seeing some good growth here.